Hello everyone, this is Wakas Ahmed. Today I will be briefing you regarding the Wireshark analysis. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna use two different kind of browser. Number one, we're gonna use the TOR browser and see the packet patterns, how the packets are being transmitted, and analyze the packet in the Wireshark. And other, we use the Chrome browser, the normal browsing, and see like is there any kind of difference between the normal browsing and what's the difference of the packet when you use the TOR browsing. So let's just start. So I have installed Wireshark on my VM. This is Windows 7 VM. So I am using the local adapter. So let's start Wireshark the traffic. So it will start analyzing the traffic. I'm gonna open a Google Chrome, and let's suppose I will go to neduet.edu.tk. I'm just browsing a normal website and I will see how the packets is being transmitted. Okay, so here we go. I have browsed a website www.neduet.com. The website has been open, everything looks good, so I will stop it now and let's analyze the packet. So let me maximize this. So you can see it's on three section. Like on the last section you can see the bits. It give you the information about the frame, the ethernet, the IP, and it just give you about like how. So number one, this is very important. Like you see the server name, it's in the clear text like www.neduet.com. So we are fetching, we are using the get command to get the content from the server on HTTP. So it's telling me like the data is going, the hello package is going to this server, and it's also you can see this pattern, it's visible here. And if I go to the application data and like TCP, I'm just using some filter content first. Let me see if I can check the HTTP data. Yep, you can see. So it's using the gate command. The data is going to www.ned.uetu.pk, and there is a bunch of information about the accept proxy and the cookies, whatever it's using. Pretty much information found here in HTTP. And transport security mode, the blog content, where the content is going, the header from. So you can get lots of information when you do the normal browsing, and it will give you total information of location. Yeah. So if I also go for TCP port 80, so you can see like it sends the sync packet, then it receives sync acknowledge, and then get connection. So it's a three-way handshake. So it's using the TCP. After that we got the uh, get packet. After the acknowledge is done, this is how the packet is forwarded to NID University. And so this is pretty much about the normal browsing. Look, everything looks good. We can read where the data is going. We can see the packages. So now let's close this file and we're gonna go for the Tor browser this time. So just to make sure nothing is going on right now, everything is closed. So let me again start sniffing the packet, and this time clear this filter. I'm going to the Tor browser. Currently it is loading, connecting to a circuit. Okay, here we go to the Tor browser. So using this, I'm gonna go for a tor.neduet.edu.pk. So the Tor browser, the beauty is that like transfer the traffic from different hops, and to the traffic is encrypted, and this is created to get the anonymity of the user, to keep the user anonymous for his identity. So we have on the website of the NAD using the Tor browser the same. So let me stop the sniffing the packets and start analyzing it. Okay, I've stopped the sniffing the packets. Now let me first see if I can go to the HTTP and see. So see, no data for the HTTP on port 8. This is a beauty. Like the normal browser, what it was doing, it was sending the data on HTTP. However, Tor doesn't do that. So let me see if Tor's use some special port. So I'm gonna use TCP port equal 9001. This is the port which Tor uses. And here we go. I can see bunch of data. The data is being sent. So hello client. But in hello client, I can't read anywhere it says any. It just encrypted my data. Okay, and then is a hello certificate, key exchange, encrypted handshake, you know. Again, I can see the port. So this port tell me like the data is actually the going through some so application data. It is encrypted. I can't see where the data is going. So that is also anonymous. Okay, no information here. Let me use another filter. TCP contain NAD. So let's see if there is any word which is using NAD. Let's see. So it filter out one thing like it says this packet it's using the NAD, but it's pretty much like I can't see the obfuscation techniques I'm using like not visible to the human eye. What about if I just write NAD UET because that was a single word? Oops, no. So there was some kind of encryption, maybe just pick the randomly NAD, but that's not what we're looking for, you know. TCP resemblance PDU. So this is the beauty of the Tor browser actually that I was trying to show you. Let me clear all the filters so you can see the data. So you see this first it just started with and it started to send acknowledge, and then it sent data, and the data when it sent it was encrypted data which we can't see. There is totally encrypted data. However, how I detected it's port on 9001. If you're gonna go for the statistics, uh, you go with statistics protocol hierarchy. In the protocol hierarchy, this is you can see minimize this. The only thing I am interested here, Internet Version Protocol 4 transmission, SMB Internet Protocol. Let's see if this filter is being applied or not. Okay, here we go. The filter is being applied for the data at the TCP layer. So everything is TLS encrypted, you can see. I can't read the data. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye for now.